The Q201 hardback carbon-based blade is designed for the woodcutting industry. It's got a heat-treated, flame-hardened two-set, which gives it greater durability and extend the blade life. This blade is designed to cut wood, composites, plastics, your low alloy steels. It's got a spring-tempered back, which provides greater beam strength, rigidity, which is going to give you a square cut. Well, this blade comes in a 1/4 inch up to 1 inch, which gives it greater beam strength just in the width of the blade itself. The two-set is ground tooth technology, as with all of our blades, even our bimetal blades. So that's going to give you a square, accurate cut every time. So with all of our products at Sawblade.com, we have it in stock. We've got huge inventories of all of our blade stock, whether it's carbon or our bimetal blades. You call in or you go on the site, you place the order. If you're a local market, we can get it to you that day. If you're not in the local market, we're going to process the order and we're going to ship it out next day to you. So if you're in the woodworking industry, and take a look at our Q201. I'm George from Sawblade.com. Thanks for watching. Remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.